What's up, everybody? Foxbody Friday in here, and back on Project Myrtle, sitting in the paint booth still. Haven't forgotten about her. Haven't done a video in a minute. Been busy working. Haven't had a chance. Follow the channel. You'll see that I posted up 3 or 4 videos just today to try to catch up on this week's work. Anyway, Myrtle gets her own time to shine here, and this is where we're at. So after final prime, and then final prime, and then some more final prime, we decided that the body lines just weren't flawless. So took some extra time to really pay attention, complete with measurements even from the body line to the fender. I mean, really fantastic work. The guy, my buddy, he's just cold with the body work, absolutely cold. Just a stickler for perfect lines, and he's doing a great job. Shout out to you, Alberto. You the man, bro. It's looking right. So anyway, this is all legit. It's gonna get primed one last time. We're gonna fit the bumpers tonight to make sure that the body lines and everything are flowing all the way through. So the Cobra bumper covers will be fitted up tonight. The hatch, we're not going any further with this hatch. This whole deck lid is getting replaced because of rust. And although that looks simple to fix, it's behind the panel. When that starts, you can do a temporary cover up, but honestly, that rust is gonna come back. There's really very little way other than cutting out complete sections of it. And even then, where you have this wraparound underneath, there's no way. I mean, even right now, I can pull pieces off of it. Once it starts to go, say what you want, you can't fix it. And if it is, it's temporary. It's gonna bubble back up within a couple of years, if you're lucky, a couple of years. So anyway, I got another hatch. I'm gonna replace this one. Plus the new hatch has got defrost glass, which is cool. It's always nice to get a little upgrade. So, like I said, gonna put some more prime on it tonight, get all that recovered back up, etch the bare metal showing there. She is nice and flat and sharp. Sharp where it counts. So many big things to come for this one. And the color, it's beautiful. Custom blend. It's like a blue-gray metallic. It is gorgeous. See if I have some, nope. It's kind of a little sample. Under there somewhere. Should look kind of cool. It's definitely going to be different and unique, and that's what I'm all about. I hate doing cookie cutter crap. So everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your folks. Keep following up on this with all these Foxbody projects and that old 51 Chevrolet we're doing. There's constantly going to be new material updated to the channel, so that you can stay posted on the projects as they get built. It's one thing to build one car at a time. Boy, I miss those days. Building, I think we're doing 4 simultaneously in every week. It's definitely a challenge. But luckily, we're on the tail end of a lot of these, getting real close. Stay tuned to Project Myrtle. There'll be plenty more updates coming real quick. Foxbody Rehab on this badass Foxbody Friday.